A customer-centric model is a model that focuses on what the end user is looking for and the ability to deliver and meet their expectation. A good example of that would be Google. Their ability to define your search and search the internet and come back with a very specific answer to exactly what you're looking for is really delivering the unique experience that what customers are expecting today. And how that relates to insurers is insurers need to be thinking about the end user. For the history of insurance, they've generally focused on the distribution channel and meeting the needs of the agents or the bancassurance channel. What they ultimately need to do is start shifting that to the end user and the customer and developing products that are unique for the customer and meet their experience. An insurer can become more customer-centric by focusing on understanding their processes and their ability to meet individual customer experiences. They can focus on their channels and how they interact with the customer. They can focus on their ability to identify unique customer characteristics, and they can focus on their experience and are they meeting the customer's expectations and delivering the end user's expectations versus the distribution partner expectations.
In an evolving digital age, customers' experiences are really being shaped by their day-to-day interactions with their mobile, their interactions on social media, being present online, and this is really shaping their expectations of how they want to interact with organizations as well. Particularly with insurers, they're looking for a sense of ease, a sense of being able to interact via their mobile and then being able to speak to someone, and for that experience to be consistent and to always get a consistent advice regardless of which channel they choose to interact with. Other things that they are also looking for is a sense of being able to do it themselves, to take ownership of some of that deep dive finding of, what solutions might be best for me, and what type of solutions would I need to fulfill my lifestyle goals or my lifestyle needs. The experience today is really quite slow, where needs analysis and physical form filling can take up to weeks. And this is really the space where we're starting to see the convergence of internet retailers, technology companies, as well as like social media really reshape this industry. Customers' increasing demand on how they shop, how they interact with their mobile devices is really changing the way they interact with businesses, the brands they trust, and all of these coming together is really disrupting the lines of competition in financial services.
At PwC, we're actually helping many clients become more customer-centric by focusing on what we term behavioral economics. This is looking at customer patterns and how they behave and treating individuals by their gender, by their age, by their cultural differences, and understanding their buying patterns across those different spectrums, and then developing solutions that fit into those patterns. So we're using deep analytics to understand how customers behave, developing personas so that we understand better how those customers interact with insurance products and what their needs are. And then we can customize the sales solution so that the customer feels that that product or that solution is delivered uniquely to them rather than a mass market appeal to everyone.